In this video, I'll show you how to get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for just watching simple and short videos till 2021. How does it work? We're about to find out. And if you follow through this video until the end, I will teach you how to set it up for absolutely free. In that way you will earn a lot more money without doing the hard work. Now before we start, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So it's a brand new website that will pay you just to watch YouTube videos. Signing up to it is absolutely free. They even have an app. So you can do this even with your smartphone device only. And all you have to do is click view, watch the video and collect your earnings. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, bank transfer, and some other payment options are also available. Now the main reason I want to share this with you today is because I feel like we're all spending way too much time binge watching YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but I personally spend hours a day entertaining myself through YouTube. And obviously, I often feel bad because I have a feeling as if I was wasting my time. And that's why I went out there. I spent countless hours researching the web, and I came across some of the best platforms that we never talked about before. They will pay you for just watching those YouTube videos. So now you will not have to feel bad for spending hours a day watching funny YouTube videos, because you will actually get paid for doing that. But before we start this tutorial, make sure to drop a like to this video if you love making money online. And let's see if we can get 100 likes in this one. Scroll down below and tap the like button until it turns blue. Alright, so today we'll be using 3 different absolutely free platforms in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. Stay tuned until the end. And I will tell you which one I personally prefer and which one pays the most amount of money. We never talked about any of these platforms, and you're just going to love them. This is the first one. This website is called Zareclamy.com. You can either come over to Google Play Store and search for this app, and then install it to your smartphone device. Or if you're using a desktop, like me, just go straight to the website. Yes, you heard it right. It is available both on smartphone and computer. And with this website, you can actually get paid for doing a lot of different stuffs, which you normally do every single day. I'm going to show that in a minute. But as you can see, you can make money online either with your phone, computer, or tablet, and get paid wherever you are, without investment. That's all absolutely free. And they also have their app which you can install to your smartphone device and make money even with just your phone. Now on this page, they will be explaining you a little bit more about how their website works and stuff. But all you need to do is, once you come over to the website, or once you install the app, just click on the registration button over here. And that will take you over to the page where you can create a free brand new account by either signing up with Google, Microsoft, or by manually entering your email address and creating a password. And the thing that this website is available worldwide, so they will pay you no matter where you are in the world. But you will need to check if it does work in your country or not. Once you create an absolutely free account on this website, this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings and track your balance. You can see how much money you made today, how much money you made yesterday, how much money you made in the past 7 days and in the past month. And then of course, the overall total on how much money you made with this website. And on the left-hand side, you will be able to click on Earn section over here. Click on that. And that will take you over to the page where you can select how you want to get paid. You can get paid to browse websites, watch videos and watch ads. And that's a really good way to make money online. Because it doesn't require a lot of work from your side, it just requires one click of a button. You just click on watch video or click on view ad, and that's it. You don't have to spend hours doing some work such as completing surveys or completing offers. You just click and you can do something else while your earnings are rising on this website. And you can also get paid to leave engagement on social media. And by that you can make money by following people on Instagram. You can get paid to like their post, to like YouTube videos, to watch YouTube videos, to leave a comment on it, and so on and so forth. As you can see, They even have a special section where you can write comments and reviews and also get paid for that. You can also fill out surveys and much more. Now, I don't really recommend you go with filling out surveys and writing reviews because that takes a lot of time and effort. It will obviously pay you a lot more money, but on the other hand, it requires a lot of time and effort. So I would rather focus only on browsing websites, videos, ads and leaving engagement on social media. So you can click on the Earn button right here below the Leave Engagement on Social Media section. And then that will take you over to the page where you can select exactly how you want to get paid and what you want to do and get paid. Let me show you how you will get paid to watch YouTube videos. As you can see, the first section that pops up is YouTube. So you can click on YouTube views over here. And that will take you over to the page where you can watch different videos. And those videos are not boring. You can actually get paid to watch some entertaining and useful videos from which you will learn something and at the same time, get paid for watching it. So for example, you can watch this video, you can just click on the Earn button and that will take you over to the second page, let it just load, and then it will start playing some random YouTube video which you will need to watch. Of course, you don't actually need to spend time watching the video, you can just let it play through, and you can maybe focus and do something else or open up these videos in different tabs to maximize your results. And you will still get paid. And that's why I love it. It's kind of like passive income, you're not actively doing anything, you just click the play button and you can do something else. And then you will be able to come back and collect your earnings. So you can go through all of those videos, watch them until the end and get paid again and again. Each time you watch the video, your earnings on the dashboard will update and you will be able to see it. It's not paying a lot, but it will quickly add up. And I mean it's super easy. The more you click on those videos, the more you watch them, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, depending on the country you are coming from, you will get paid either less or more per video you watch. If you're coming from a top-tier country, you will get paid a lot more for watching those videos. If you're coming from a country where the economy is not that great, then you will get paid a little bit less. But don't worry, because it will quickly add up and you will be able to withdraw your money. Now to sum up, to maximize your results with this website, you can do all sorts of things. They will pay you sometimes even more money under the Leave Engagement on Social Media section. You can make money by viewing YouTube videos. You may also leave subscriptions on YouTube channels, like YouTube videos, leave Instagram followers, like and watch Instagram videos. And you have all of these social media platforms on which you can leave engagement and get paid for doing that. It's all absolutely free and it's easy and simple. It's really a great website and app from which you can make decent amount of money. And it's a relatively new app that not a lot of people know about. So I highly recommend you jump on it before it becomes oversaturated. Once again, that is Zareclamy.com or just Zareclamy for the app name. You can sign up for absolutely free and get paid to watch YouTube videos and do all of those sorts of things in social media. The second website, which I wanted to share with you today, is called Timebox.com. It's really a great website because it will pay you for some really unique stuff, like it's going to pay you to post stuff on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps and whatnot. But they also do have an option for you to get paid just for watching videos. And I really love it because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log into your account every single day, they will give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and still be able to earn money which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to Timebox.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. Or you can do so by entering your email address manually and by creating a password. And once you create an account, just log in and this is what you will see. This is a brand new account. And you can see people from all over the world are making money, like every few minutes people are being paid with this website. You have people from India and Philippines that are making money every single day, and people from all over the world are using this website because it's all absolutely free. And it's really easy. You can just go to the Earn section over here. You can complete different surveys, different tasks, but you can also get paid for watching videos under the Offer Walls and Tasks section. Once again, this is over the Timebox.com. Sign up for free and get paid without investing any money. Third and the last website that I wanted to share with you today is called quickerwords.net. This one is also going to pay you for different stuff. It's not as unique as the previous two websites, but it's still really nice, and it pays decent enough, so you can complete different surveys, which are also something that I don't recommend. It requires a lot of time and effort, and it's just not worth it. You can definitely play games because they're just easy. I mean, it's something that we probably do every single day. I don't know if you play games every single day, but I do. I sometimes like to unwind, so I just play some games on my phone. And now I can actually get paid for doing that. It's not going to be a lot of money, but still a couple of dollars here and there for having fun on my phone is always welcome any time of the day. Then you can also watch videos, of course. It's something that we came for, and we will talk about it in a minute. Then you can also complete different offers, and you can get cash back if you shop online, which are also great. Now they've been online for a while. In fact, they've been online for almost 2 decades. And the reason why I really love this website and I highly recommend it is because the minimum to redeem or withdraw is just 1 penny. Yes, you heard it right, just 1 cent. You don't have to wait until you have a couple of hundreds of dollars or whatsoever. But as soon as you start making money, you can instantly cash out, instantly withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers. Now, of course, I guess that most of you guys will go for PayPal because you can then spend that money on whatever you want to. But in case PayPal is not available in your country, don't worry, because as you can see, you can get some gift cards which you can spend on some of these retailers. Now, to get started with quickerwords.net, you just need to come over to their official website and then click on create an account, and you just sign up for absolutely free. After that, you can go to the watch videos section and then start watching those videos and collect your earnings again and again. Now, to sum it up, the 3 websites where you can get paid are Zareclamy.com, Timebox.com, and quickerwords.net. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description down below to discover the best way to earn $100 per hour for just watching videos, which is a new strategy to make money online till 2021. Which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out.